Copy link address. X.com broadcast. And copy video URL. I'm trying to get better on this. Create algorithm to replace subtitles. Oh wow, he made it to a million. Congrats, Prime. Yes. Oh wow. Such an incredible milestone. I've learned so much from your channel. After being on web development for more than 10 years, I kind of felt stuck. And you led me the path to continue my learning into areas which I didn't see before, like algorithms, creating my own HTTP server, and going deeper into programming knowledge. I felt stuck. Dun dun dun. Algorithms. All right, guys. So thank you very much for tuning in into the live stream. We're gonna be having today. It's gonna be kind of small, the kind of ish, a little bit short on the streaming side, but we're gonna continue on seeing what Claude Code did for the UI and UX. I don't know what it ended up doing. Let's check it out. So I asked it to generate this plan is organized. Oh, I think it didn't do it. The plan says synthetic waddling, Wozniak, blah 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 blah. Let's see what it actually did. Oh no, it. So it kind of. So let's see what it did. Firefox of pop-up. You know what? Yes. No, go and build it step by step. Ultra think. So what are we doing right now? We're very close in finishing the MVP. So I'm planning on creating like some sort of sidebar that I just want to upload to Claude Code, and then I can just tweak it a little bit because I don't want to spend more time into it. And then while this is generating, I want to look into the subtitles, and we need to generate an algorithm that we can use to parse the different namings and create like some sort of dictionary, so we can replace it altogether. So what I mean about this is that I'm not gonna be manually doing all of the updates on the episodes. No, there's no way I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna like sub 1,200 episodes from One Piece. It's no human way. So what I want to do is like I want to create like an automatic mechanism that we are going to scrape. There's going to be some cool things that we're going to do about it on the One Piece wiki, and try to compare it and extract the Romanized names with it and use it to the subtitle file. And we're gonna see a One Piece. First of all, I'm gonna take this episode 1144, and I'm gonna look for the attack that Todo says, and let's see. Let's see. I know it's very small. I don't think I can make it. I can make the UI a little bit bigger. So really, I apologize for that. I want to see something, and okay, let's look in YouTube. One Piece 1144 Zoro versus Lucy, and I'm gonna open it into private mode. Wait, into private window, just because I don't want to have like recommendations of anime. I don't like to have it in the YouTube. I want to have it like focused for a couple of things that I do have, and it's gonna be accept all. So come on, come on, come on, come on. So here it is, and you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is the ad. I'm currently in Spain. I'm not Spanish. I'm from the Dominican Republic. Okay, here we go. Dude, this is so great. Okay, my Tempest kick. Okay, I got a little bit laggy in here. So Control F, Tempest kick. There we go. And here it is. So it's line 110. And what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna open it into VS Code. I should definitely like stop and just let it go for the skip save dangerously permission that it has. Yes, and don't ask again. And I'm gonna click here. We're gonna create a Command O, open. We're gonna go to the desktop, and I'm gonna look for the subtitle file, which is this one. And what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna close this for a little bit. And the line, is it here? No. So Tempest kick. Okay, so here, well, this is my first thing. I'm gonna go back to this thing, to the episode, and I want to see something. Okay, let's hear it. Let's see what happens. Okay, Rankyak. Okay, there was no other thing. And I'm gonna come back in here, and I'm gonna say Tempest kick One Piece week. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for it to load. Rankyak. All right. And our first algorithm. I wonder how are we gonna do this. And this is the Romanized name, Rankyak. I think that we should attack this in the following fashion. I'm gonna upload. I know that we're injecting it manually, but I think it's time for us to make a parsing thing. So I need to ask Cloud Code. I think we're gonna do this like manually while this is actually generating it. We're gonna come to the back end since this is working on the front end. I'm gonna come here to the index.ts file, and I'm gonna ask. Remember that we're gonna have this controllers, and let's ask it. So we'll have it in modules. I like the word modules. I tend to use bounded context for domain-driven design. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna use the controllers file, and the controller is going to be a so I'm gonna call it series.controller.ts, and it's gonna be something very simple. Export function, export async function, controller, series controller. I'm gonna use that convention, and I'm gonna have a series C. And this is the context. I need to export that context. How can we do this? Oh no. Bindings. Okay, let me see something. Wait. I'm currently using Hono and Cloudflare Workers. And I'm wondering, how can I generate the typing for the context? Again, I'm using Whisperflow for speech to text, which has been brilliantly. It's been amazing to use. And by the way, do I have the right? I think is it okay? That's the default. I think in this one it's good to see. I gotta rewatch the stream on mobile to see how it actually goes. But what we're trying to do is that I'm trying to structure a little bit, give a little bit of structure to the application, because it's not that I'm thinking it's going to grow a lot. It's not. Even when working with an MVP, there are certain patterns that I love to follow that allow the code to grow and to modify, and it doesn't take like a lot of additional works. So c.env is type generate your env from Wrangler, types env interface env interface cloudflare.env, reference it once. Okay, let me see for the type generation. Let's try it. Worker env interface environment. But what I want, no, because the thing is that I'm trying to look for the C, which is context bindings env. Well, will I ever use, what do I have for the C? I think I just have like generic thing. I never use the path, right? C dot body get. Well, something that I should definitely do, is that I should definitely get the get. Oh, so it's generating the entire binding, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come here to shared, and I'm gonna generate app.ts, and I'm gonna use this p export const. Gonna here and import from Hono and export type and type of. Let's say. So if we got get, type app get, type of app get. Will I get it? I think I'll get it. So if I do this here and I say that I gotta return a app get, probably do something like to return the to const app get. I think I can do this, right? Return app. Why is this complaining? Okay. API. Ooh. API series. See? Oh, wait. So it's something like this, right? App. Yeah, that's probably not gonna work. Okay, because I would like to define. Let me see if I can do this with. It's actually generating next step phases continue. And I'm going to use codex. I'm trying. You're an expert in Hono and Cloudflare Workers. I'm trying to abstract the definition of the URL routes as a controller, and I'm trying to extract the typings. As shown in series.controller.ts and index.ts, which is the backend here. Just gonna let it go. I'm currently using two models at the same time. Which is the one that's actually using? Since a high reasoning model, I don't think I need this much. I need to put GPT-4 at 5.2. I want to ask this one and change. Well, it's the codex. Codex is really good. And let's see how it goes. Ya. Sí, pero no te preocupes. Ya voy para allá, que todo está bien. No. Okay, guys, I think I gotta go. So I know that it was like for a very short time. I'm gonna leave the code to generate and run and finish, and then we'll definitely check it out how it actually goes. So thank you very much for reaching out. Take care. See you very soon.